Ever wondered why price keeps turning at the exact same levels again and again? It's not random. It's volume. Volume leaves footprints. And if you know how to read them, you can literally see where the market's biggest battles happen. In this video, I'll show you a free TradingView indicator that does exactly that. It maps where buyers and sellers are stacking their positions, and it's called Delta Flow Volume Profile by Big Beluga. Let's open TradingView. Click on Indicators. Type Delta Flow Volume Profile and pick the one written by Big Beluga. It's completely free, so even if you're using the free plan, you can add it instantly. Once it's on your chart, you'll see horizontal bars appear on the right side. This is the volume profile, and it shows how much trading volume happened at each price level. Think of it like an X-ray of the market. Each horizontal bar represents one price range, and the length of that bar shows how much trading happened there. Inside every bar, there are two smaller bars, one green and one orange. Green shows buying volume, and orange shows selling volume. So if you see a wide bar with a big chunk of orange, that means strong selling pressure at that price. If green dominates, buyers were more active. It's simple but incredibly powerful. By default, this indicator looks back 200 candles and divides that range into 30 equal price zones. For each zone, it shows the total traded volume, broken down between buyers and sellers. That means you can instantly see where most of the market activity happened and where it didn't. Now, one key element of this indicator is the point of control, also known as the POC. It's highlighted as the longest bar. That's the price level where the most volume occurred during the last 200 bars. Think of it as a magnet. Whenever price gets near the point of control, it usually reacts, either bouncing off it or stalling around it before breaking out. Let me show you exactly how this helps in real trading. Here, the market was in a consolidation range after a rally. You can see a large horizontal bar sitting right in the middle of that range, showing that a lot of volume traded there. That tells us this price range is important. And notice what happens later. Price breaks out, then comes back for a pullback right to that same range. And just like that, it rejects perfectly and moves down again. That's the power of the volume profile. Here's another example. You can see the highest volume bar forming at a level where the market reversed multiple times before. Every time price came back to that zone, it reacted, either pausing or reversing completely. That's not coincidence. High volume zones show areas of interest where big traders have been active. In simple terms, volume profile helps you confirm your key zones. Let's say you spot a support or resistance level using price action. When the Delta Flow Volume Profile shows high volume at that same price level, that's extra confirmation. It means market participants have already proven that area matters. Now, the color difference inside the bar gives you more depth. If orange is larger than green, that zone had heavier selling, possibly resistance. If green is larger, that level might act as support because buyers were stronger there. And remember, when a support zone breaks, it often becomes resistance, and the volume profile will usually show the same high volume bar at that exact level. So, when price revisits it later, you already know where to expect reactions. But there's one more angle to this, because the volume profile shows activity across price ranges. That's vertical analysis. We also want to study volume through time candle by candle. That's horizontal analysis. For that, we'll add another free tool.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
So you can open the Indicators tab again from here. Search for the volume delta indicator. It's the one created by Harmonic. Add it to your chart. You'll see two things appear, a data table and volume bars under the chart. This one works a little differently. Instead of showing how much volume happened at different prices, it shows how much buying and selling volume occurred in each candle. Blue bars mean buying volume, red bars mean selling volume. The taller the bar, the higher the activity. Inside each candle, you can even see which side dominated, blue for buyers, red for sellers. It gives you a clearer idea of how each move is being built. Here, we can see the panel. There's a small table that updates in real time. It shows the current candle's buy volume, sell volume, and their percentages. So at any moment, you can tell whether buyers or sellers are in control right now. And just like the previous indicator, this one also shows the balance between buying and selling pressure, but through time instead of price levels. Here's how you can use both indicators together. Imagine price is approaching a high volume zone shown by delta flow volume profile, a potential resistance. You switch your focus to the volume delta indicator and see that recent candles have high red bars, showing strong selling volume. That's your extra confirmation. The sellers are defending that zone again. Another case? Price pulls back to a strong volume cluster near support. The volume delta shows a sudden burst of blue bars. That's buying volume stepping in at the same level buyers were strong before. That's a clean buy setup confirmation. Another scenario, the market dumps into a previous high volume support area. On the volume delta, you start seeing large blue bars even though the price hasn't moved up yet. That's early accumulation, a hint that the down move is losing steam. Within a few candles, price bounces strongly. That's how smart money positions itself. Quietly, before the chart shows it. Both indicators together give you an edge. Delta flow shows zones of interest, and volume delta shows real-time participation. You can literally see when a zone is being defended or broken down. If you want to fine-tune them, here are a few quick tips. For the delta flow volume profile, you can adjust the look-back period depending on your time frame. 200 works well for intraday, but for longer-term setups, try 500 or 1000. For volume delta, you can turn off moving averages in the settings to keep the chart clean. Focus only on color and height of bars. And most importantly, don't chase candles with no volume behind them. When you see price moving without strong volume, it's usually a trap. That's it for this one. I hope this helped you understand how to read volume the way pros do. If you found value, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.